No more boring jollof rice. Stick with this jollof recipe to achieve that banging jollof at all times. Add oil to a pot. Go in with your chopped onion, ginger and garlic paste, and begin to drop in your green seasoning cubes and more spices. This will be listed on the screen for you. And fry until fragrant. Add in your tomato puree. Fry this until sweet. Then go in with your pepper mix and fry for 3 minutes. Add in your washed rice and stir to combine. Now, this is the reason I used little oil at the beginning, because my meat broth has lots of oil and it's well seasoned as well. I added that third to mix properly and I covered with foil paper and allowed to cook for 20 minutes on low heat. After 20 minutes, you're gonna get something like this. Stir together to combine and drop in some butter for more glitterings. Cover for 1 minute and this is what you're gonna have. See correct Nigerian jollof rice now. See rice now. This was my Christmas Day food. Everyone asked for more and more and more. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.